brides to be, what could be done in this busy schedule, or when they really can't approach to many spas or any kind of a beauty treatments because of COVID right now? Schedule. Usually, most of the brides who come to me are like super busy. They have very little time for their skincare routine, or very less few weeks left for the wedding. Just my brides to do are these are the few, and I think this would help you guys also, because now in COVID situation, it's very difficult to take multiple salon treatments or spas. We have to cut down on few, but yet to look more presentable, to have this super glowy skin, to have a nice hair day on your big day is very important, right? What I could help you all out here is, firstly, use a very good cleanser. Understand what is your skin type, whether it is oily skin or a dry skin. Use a right cleanser, then a good sunscreen so that you don't get tan, your skin tone is evened out, and use a very good nourishing cream in the night. Most of my brides, I suggest them who have anything normal to dry skin and a medium oily skin to use a herbal product like Kumkumadi Thailam. We here make Kumkumadi Thailam as per our bride's skin texture, checking onto their pigmentations and customizing it for them. But anyone who has a normal skin tone or a medium to slightly lighter oily skin, then they could go for any good branded Kumkumadi Thailam in the night. Not only for the face, you can apply it on your hands, on your back. It gives you the golden hue when you just have 2 to 3 weeks for your wedding. Most of the brides who come to me are quite busy, or rather super busy. They don't have much time to give for their skincare routine. So usually we do these quick little treatments like meso botox just to give them that glow, which lasts for about a month. And I mainly work on the skin pigmentations, like just to even out the skin tone and the texture. If the pigmentations are really heavy on them and they don't have much time, we suggest them to come post wedding when they have time, because pigmentations actually makeup or a concealer can cover up. But what really can't cover up is your skin texture. Makeup cannot alter your skin texture, or makeup cannot make your skin look more glossier for a longer period of time. After a few hours, you have the dull skin. So we work more on giving them good intakes of vitamins, and if they're very deficient, then we give them some injectable vitamins to that. We do a good hydration with vitamin C and antioxidants and some amount of glutathione infusion to the skin, so that the skin is hydrated really well and it gives a good glow on the D-day. A little few corrections on the texture. If they have a deep socket eyes, or if they have dark circles, then we try to fill it up with hyaluronic acid fillers on those areas. And if they have a heavy cheek and the whole cheek is dropping down, we try to tuck it up. We use a bit of RF lasers to tighten the jaw lines, and we use some fillers to give that lift and sculpt it up. Or somebody who has this gummy smile and they don't want that to be exposed more in the video or photographs, then we work on their lips. We try to give them few shots of Botox and fillers to reshape their lips, which makes it look really plump. But again, I believe in giving it a very natural look so that it doesn't look overdone, just a bit, just to give it that plumper and hydrated look. So these are the few things you could do in a doctor's office. And in home care, it's must for one to sleep really well, minimum 7 to 8 hours of sleep, a good amount of exercise or meditation for at least 20 minutes per day. 1 hour is very good, but if you cannot give 1 hour to yourself, at least 20 minutes. And have some fruit juices containing more of oranges in it, carrot, beetroot and papaya, or we can make a mix of all. And if you have acne, then we would add on some creams with smile steroid in them or retinoic acid. You could use them in the night time, and or use it only as per prescribed by a doctor. You can go for an online consultation, take your doctor's guidance, and then use those creams. And if you're on isoretinol tablets, yes, you have to stop it prior to your wedding if you're planning for an early baby. This is one thing you've got to be cautious of. And if you have some time in hand for family planning, then you could take even isoretinol tablets with your doctor's guidance just to reduce those pustules or pussy acne, which is a nodular painful acne. This is quite helpful in a tapering form. And you also have red sandalwood powder and rose water mixed and applied on the areas where you have oily acne and itchy and irritating skin. Almost daily you can apply it for 20 minutes. And for your entire body, you could apply till oil. Till oil is very good for giving you that hue on the body, that giving you that glow on the skin and hydration. So apply till oil, leave it for about 15 to 20 minutes. At minimum half an hour is very good, and then wash off with the warm water. And later completely moisturize your body when it is slightly wet. Don't whip off the water completely. When it is slightly wet, moisturize it really well. And later on, you can apply any of your skin lightening cream, sunscreen on your face. And if you're exposed to sun, then use a body sunscreen at a distance of 1 feet, SPF anywhere between 50 to 70. And we give a good vitamin infusion of vitamin C, your antioxidant or glutathione, or some kind of hyaluronic acid serums, just to seep deeper to the skin and give you that hydration and that glow on your D-Day. Guys who have a more of open pores, okay, usually on the T-zone or a complete face they have open pores, then what I would suggest them to get is a quick mesobotox. So mesobotox, we use some amount of botulinum toxin, and then we use some amount of super high diluted form of saline in it, and then we just infuse it to the entire skin on the face, and that gives you that glossy glow which lasts about 245 days. Good. And after that you get back to normal. Meanwhile, you maintain with a good skin astringent, very good skin foam. So if you have an oily skin, then use something which seizes of that oil. Your face wash rich in benzoyl peroxide or azelaic acid, something like that would help you out. And we give a good night care regime. Again, if you have some pigmentations, I wouldn't say that if you don't have much time to just correct all the pigmentations, because pigmentation usually take few weeks to recover if you do a laser or chemical peel. I work more on the texture of the skin. If there's an uneven skin tone, then maybe a very mild fruit peel, I would suggest them to get it done. Or a very good hydrating medifacials. We use some amount of mildest form of peel in the facial and some skin lightening creams, so that the roughness on the skin is more evened out and that hydration is better. The uneven skin tone reduces almost to 50%. And when we give them some lightening creams containing kojic acid or mulberry extracts or licorice, and my favorite cream or a serum to be applied on the night is Kumkumadi Thailam.